Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleansing thoroughly so active ingredients work. After patting dry, apply a targeted salicylic acid product at 0.5% 2% on breakouts. This unclogs pores and reduces oil. Once done, wait 2 to 3 minutes to let the acid absorb and lower pH interference. Then apply niacinamide 4% 10% as a light serum to balance sebum and strengthen the barrier. This sequence minimizes irritation and lets both act efficiently without neutralizing each other. You now focus on controlled layering and frequency so results are consistent. Use thin layers, 1 to 2 pumps, so products absorb rather than sit on skin. If your salicylic is a leave-on exfoliant, space it to 2 or 3 times per week while niacinamide can be daily. This prevents overexfoliation. Make sure to patch test the combination for 24 to 48 hours to check sensitivity. If irritation appears, reduce frequency, switch to a lower concentration, and reintroduce slowly. You finish by locking in hydration and protecting results. Apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer, and if it's daytime, follow with SPF 30 or higher. If you experience persistent burning, redness, or itching, stop salicylic acid first and use a barrier repair cream. This calms inflammation. Once symptoms resolve, reintroduce niacinamide alone to rebuild tolerance, using it every other day before moving back to daily. That one troubleshooting step, pause the exfoliant, fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.